Hello students, today we are going to learn about the agro-based industries in India. In this module, we will learn about the concept of industry and the need for rapid industrialization in India. So let's begin. Though agriculture is still the main occupation of most of the people in India, yet in recent years great progress has been made in the field of industry. Let's learn about the concept of industry. An industry is an organized human effort and skill to produce something useful from the gifts of nature, or we can say the raw materials available in the nature. It refers to manufacturing process, that is producing something useful by using the raw material available all around. If we talk about India, nature has gifted our country with a large variety of resources. Our basic needs are fulfilled directly or indirectly by using these natural resources. We use these resources, we process them in the industries, that is in the factories, and we make useful products. Then these products make our life much easier. Apart from making our lives easier, these industries also provide employment to large number of people. In distant past, natural resources were transformed into manufacturing products by the members of the family who worked at home with hand. With the help of simple tools, they also used animal power and required very small investment. But in course of time, modern industries came into being, and here the scenario is completely different. Some of the important special features of modern industries are: simple tools were replaced by machines. Manual or animal labor is replaced by energy resources. Large scale production is possible in shorter period of time. Another feature of modern industry is the establishment of factories and mills. Each job was broken up to various small parts, and each labor performs a particular part of the job in an efficient manner. This transformation led to what is known as the age of modern industry. The development of industries is very important for the economic growth of a country. Sincere efforts have been made by all the countries to promote industrialization, as it increases job opportunities, national income, it enhances capital formation, and it also encourages to utilize natural resources efficiently. Now, students, we will learn about the need for rapid industrialization in India. So, the first reason is India is an agricultural country, and more than 70% of the population is dependent on agriculture. But agriculture cannot alone support the growing population. Therefore, rapid industrialization is very, very important in India. India also needs industrialization because the problem of unemployment can be solved by rapid industrialization. And industries produce goods and equipment that is required for the defense of the country. Moreover, industries are required to keep pace with the fast moving world in terms of advanced technology and know-how. Even maintenance of favorable balance of trade, we need industrialization. That is, more of exports than import is possible only through rapid industrialization. In today's world, being agriculturally developed is not enough, but being a strong industrialized nation is very important. So, students, these are the reasons for which we need, that is, India need rapid industrialization. Thank you, students. That's all in this module.